Dear students, we are continuing with quadratic equations. We are making the exercise 2.5. 2.4 is over, 2.5 now. Then we derived sum of roots. We have sum of roots of the quadratic equation alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, and product of roots alpha into beta is c by a. Sum of roots alpha plus beta minus b by a, product of roots alpha into beta c by a. Now we have to make the quadratic equation. So for quadratic equation were given, we have to solve it. Now roots are given, alpha and beta, you have to form the quadratic equation. Now let us consider alpha and beta be the roots. This is method 1. That is alpha equal to x is equal to alpha, one root, and x is equal to beta, second root. If x is equal to alpha, x plus alpha comes this left hand side as minus alpha equal to 0. X minus alpha equal to 0, and x plus beta comes to left hand side as minus beta equal to 0. Now to form the equation, we multiply both. X minus alpha into x minus beta equal to 0 into 0. Left hand sides you multiply, right hand sides also you multiply. Right hand side is 0, left hand side x minus alpha into x minus beta. We expand now. X into x, x square. X into minus beta x. Minus alpha into x, minus into minus, plus alpha into beta equal to 0. Now we group these two. X square minus, we take common factor out, x also. Minus comes out means plus alpha plus beta into this x, plus alpha into beta equal to 0. That is x square minus of alpha plus beta into x. Alpha plus beta is addition of roots, sum of roots, plus this alpha into beta equal to 0, product of roots equal to 0. Therefore we concluded, that is x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots equal to 0. This is one method. The other method is what? We have the given quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Of course a is not equal to 0. If not 0, with that you can divide. So dividing by this ax square upon a is x square, plus bx upon a is b by a times x, plus c upon a equal to 0. This plus quantity we write, minus into minus plus like. So this x square, this plus we change into minus b by a times x plus c by a equal to 0. But we know minus b by a is what? Sum of roots. Minus b by a is sum of roots. C by a is product of roots. That's here. Minus b by a sum of roots. C by a product of roots equal to 0. That is x square minus alpha plus beta into x, which is sum of roots, into x plus alpha into beta product of roots equal to 0. This is a second method. This way we are doing second method. You do this way, that is better. This is simple. Now we start exercise 2.5. Now given equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This discriminant b square minus 4ac is plus 5. B square minus 4ac is plus. Roots are real and unequal. Roots are real and unequal if discriminant is positive. Second case is what? B square minus 4AC is negative quantity, minus 5. If B square minus 4AC is negative, then roots are not real. Roots are not real roots, imaginary roots, which we'll study later on. That is first question. Now second question. Given sum of roots minus 7, product of roots plus 5. What is equation? Equation is what? X square minus sum of roots alpha plus beta into x plus product of roots equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus sum of roots is minus 7 into x plus product of roots is plus 5 equal to 0. Therefore, the given required quadratic equation is what? X square minus into minus plus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. This is the required equation if sum of roots and product roots are minus 7 and plus 5. We put in the equation x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots equal to 0. In this equation only. In this equation. Now, alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation 2x square minus 4x minus 3. We want alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta? Minus b by a. What is here a? A is 2. B is x coefficient minus 4. C is constant term minus 3. So here minus b. B is minus 4. Minus b is minus of minus 4 upon a. A is 2. Minus into minus plus 4 by 2. How much it is? 2. Alpha plus beta. Minus into minus cancels. Sorry, becomes plus. 4 by 2 is 2 by 1, which is 2. What is product of roots? C by a. C is minus 3 upon a is 2. So this one we are getting alpha into beta minus 3 by 2. This is question number 3 of main question 1. Main question 1, 1, 2, 3. All we did. Now we pass on to question number 2. Main question 2. Here we have to find the value of discriminant. What is discriminant? Discriminant is denoted by delta, which is b square minus 4ac. Delta is b square minus 4ac. This only we have to find out. The first question. X square plus 7x plus 1 equal to 0. Here a is 1. B is 7. This is not plus 1, it is minus 1. X square plus 7x minus 1 equal to 0. It is minus 1. B is 7. C is minus 1. Therefore, value of discriminant. Discriminant delta is what? B square minus 4ac. Therefore, delta is b square 7 square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is minus 1. 7 square minus into minus plus 4 ones are 4 into 1 4. This is 7 square 49 plus 4. How much it is? 49 plus 4 53. What is this? Discriminant. Discriminant is 53. This is first question of question number 2. Please go through, do it, it's easy. Now we do question number 3 of question number 2. Question number 2 of that 3. This is root 2x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 equal to 0. Here a is x square coefficient root 2. B is x coefficient 4. C is 2 into root 2. Therefore, discriminant delta equal to b square minus 4ac. B 4 square minus 4 into a. How much is a? A is root 2 into c. C is 2 into root 2. 4 square 16. Only one minus. Minus into plus minus. Minus into plus minus. 4 into 2 8 into root 2 into root 2 2. This is 16. 8 2s are 16 with a minus sign. It is 0. Therefore, discriminant delta equal to 0. That is question number 2, sub question number 3. Here we are putting in this equation. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Now question number 3. Determine the nature of roots of the following quadratic equations. We have to find out nature. Nature means what? Whether it is real or not real or equal. Question number 1 of this. Nature of roots. First equation is what? X square minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Therefore here a is 1, b is minus 4, c is 4. A x square. So a is 1, b is minus 4, c equal to 4. We find out discriminant. Discriminant delta is b square minus 4ac. So this is equal to b square minus 4 into a into c is 4. Minus 4 square plus 16 minus 4 4s are 16. Discriminant equal to 0. What is identity here? Otherwise idea we are getting, if discriminant is 0, roots are real and equal. Real and equal. Delta is 0. So roots are real and equal. This is question number 1. Now we pass on to question number 3. This is equal to m square plus 2m plus 9 equal to 0. Here a is x square, here is quadratic term, coefficient is 1. B is coefficient of linear term 2. And C is the constant term 9. Here also we find out discriminant. Discriminant delta is what? B square minus 4ac. Therefore, delta is equal to b square, b is 2 square minus 4 into a into c. 2 square 4. Minus into plus minus. Minus into plus minus. 4 9s are 36 plus 4 minus 36. 36 minus 4, 32. Sign of greater number minus. Discriminant is negative. Then what information we are getting? Then roots are not real. Roots are not real because we are getting discriminant value is negative. Now question number 4. Main question 4. Form the quadratic equation from the following given roots. Here there are 4 problems. We do second and fourth. Given alpha is equal to 3 and beta equal to minus 10. Therefore, sum of roots alpha plus beta 3 plus minus 10, which is 3 minus 10 minus 7, sum of roots. Now product of roots. Alpha into beta 3 into minus 10 minus 30. Therefore we have to form the equation, Therefore required quadratic equation. What is it? X square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots equal to 0. Therefore, it is now x square minus sum of roots minus 7 into x plus product of roots minus 30 equal to 0. Therefore, this x square minus into minus plus 7x plus into minus minus 30 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Now we have question number 4 of this question number 4. This is question number 2. Here alpha is 2 minus root 5 and beta is 2 plus root 5. Therefore, sum of roots alpha plus beta 2 minus root 5 plus 2 plus root 5. Plus root 5 minus root 5 cancels. 2 plus 2 4. Sum of roots. The product of roots is what? 2 minus root 5 into 2 plus root 5. Like A is minus B into A plus B. A square minus B square. 2 square 4 minus root 5 square is 5, which is minus 1. Therefore, required quadratic x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots equal to 0. That is equal to x square minus sum of roots 4. Sum of roots is equal to 4 into x plus product of roots, which is minus 1 equal to 0. This is question number 4, main question number 4. Now we do question number 5, 5, 6, 7, out of that 5. Question number 5. Given what? Sum of roots of quadratic equation is double their product. We consider let alpha and beta be the roots. alpha and beta be the roots. Given what? Therefore, sum of quadratic equation is double the product of roots. Therefore, what happens? Sum of roots is what? Alpha plus beta equal to 2 into product of roots is what? Alpha into beta. That is, sum of roots is what? Minus b by a. 2 times product of roots is what? C by a. Both sides common denominator a. Multiply with a means what? Minus b equal to 2c. Therefore, 2c minus b goes that side, plus b equal to 0. That is, b plus 2c equal to 0. If required, we can use it. Now, we have to find the value of k. A given equation. Given quadratic equation, which is x square minus 4k into x plus k plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, here a is x square coefficient 1, b is x coefficient minus 4k, c is a constant term k plus 3. Given what? This alpha plus beta equal to 2 times alpha plus beta equal to 2 times alpha into beta. But alpha plus beta is what? Minus b by a equal to 2 into product of roots is what? C by a. Therefore, minus b. B is minus 4k. B is minus 4k. So minus b is equal to minus of minus 4k upon 1 equal to 2 into c. C is k plus 3 upon a. A is 1. Therefore, minus into minus plus 4k equal to 2k plus 2 3s are 6. 4k plus 2k comes here. Minus 2k equal to 6. 4k minus 2k, 2k equal to 6. Therefore, k equal to 6 upon 2. How much it is? 3. Therefore, required value of k equal to 3. That means here this condition is not required. Directly we can substitute here the values of a, b, c, etc. Substitute, we can directly get value of k. K is 3. Agreed? This is question number 5. Now we do question number 6. Question number 6. Given alpha and beta are roots of a quadratic equation is given. We continue this problem with the next video.